Welcome my dear friends to your own channel Fundamentals of Engineering. In this channel you will get a different engineering videos and as well as we are going to see the new general aptitude videos. That videos you are going to see in this channel. So today we are going to see the square root of any number. And we are going to see one shortcut trick. By using that you will get your answers within 5 seconds. Whenever we are solving the aptitude questions, the time is a prime most important factor. So we have to solve maximum questions in limited time. So we require to use the shortcut trick. So for finding out the square root of any number, today we are going to see the shortcut trick. By using that you will get your answers within second. Also, we have made the video regarding general aptitude for finding out the square of any number and all the general aptitude type questions. The link is available in the I sections. You can check it, or the link is available in description box. You can check it, that link. So friends, now we'll see how to find out square root of any number. For finding out the square root of any number, these are the important points to remember. So whenever we are getting to find out the square root of a number, at that point we are getting one question, and for that question the unit digit number if lie in between this number 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, then whatever the answer we are going to get, there the unit digit number will be lie like this. So whatever the table we are given, that will be the answer unit digit number. So these are very important to remember. So if you are getting the 1 at the question's unit digit number, either will get the answer, the square root can be 1 or 9. You can see 9 square 89 and 81 square root is 9, right? Then 4, if you are getting at the question unit digit number 2 or 8. So you can see 2 square 4 and 4 square root 8, 8 square 64. So you can see here the unit digit we are getting 4. If 5, no doubt you will get at a answer digit 5. If 6 is question unit digit number, you will get 4 or 6. And if you are having the unit digit number as 9, either you will get the question answer unit digit number 3 or 7. Based on that we have to find out the perfect square. So these numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, if they are in the unit digit number, we will get the perfect square. And if the question unit digit number is 2, 3, 7, 8, the answer will not be a perfect square. So how to find out the square of these numbers, that we are going to see in the next lecture. But today we are going to find out the perfect square root of the numbers. So for that, this table is very important, and remember this table. So now we are going to see the different questions based on this table. So in this left hand side and right hand side I written the perfect square values, and these are required to find out the answers for the shortcut trick. And no doubt for you have to remember all this perfect square. You have to by heart the perfect square, then you can use this square root trick. So I have given the tables, and based on this table we are going to find out. So we will take first example, the square root of 3, 4, 8, 1, right? So now you can see the question unit digit number is 1. So if question unit digit number is 1, then our answer digit number will be 1 or 9. So our answer digit number will be 1 or 9. So I will write here 1 or 9, right? Now we are having 34. So 34 is lies in between which of the perfect square? 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. So in between that the 34 number is lying. So whatever the number in between the perfect square is lying, earlier number we have to take. So I taken 5. Now Either we are getting the square root of this number 51 or 59. But to finding out, there is another important thing to remember. Now we have written 34 in between this 5 square and 6 square. Now see, 34 number is near of which number? 6 square, that is 36. So either we have to select top or bottom, right? So now you can see 25 is far away from this 34 and 36 is near to the 34. So we have to select 59. So 59 is the perfect square root of 3481. Remember, if you are not getting it, we will take another example. Second example, the square root of 5776, that we are going to find out. So now question in it, the digit number is 6. So if it is 6, then we are getting the answer digit number either 4 or 6. So I will write here 4 or 6. Now 57 is lying between which two numbers? You can see 7 square 49, 8 square 64. In between that, the 57 is lying. So earlier whatever the perfect square number, that we have to take, that is 7. Now it is not possible, either it is 74 or 76. Now what we have to get? The 57 near to which perfect square number? So 57 is near to the 64. So we have to select the bottom one, that is 76. So by the calculator you can use it, but in the exam the calculator is not allowed. The tricks are very important in the exam because the calculators are not allowed. So by using this trick you can find out. We'll take another example. Hope you like it. If you like, share our content, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get more notification. We'll take another example. Square root of 8836. Again the 6 at the question unit digit number 6. If it is there, then we are getting 4 or 6. So I will write here 4 or 6. Now 88 is lying between two perfect square numbers, that is 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. So in between that it is lying. So 88 is lying between 9 square and 10 square. So earlier number that we have to take 9. I have written here. Now we have to find out which one. So near to what perfect square number, that we have to find out. So 88 is near to the 81, which is a 9 perfect square. So we have to select top. So if it is lying below, then we have to select below number. If it is lying in near to the top, then we have to select top number. So 94. You can use the calculator, find out the answer, and I surely say that you will get this answer only. But in the exam I told you the calculators are not allowed. We have to rely on the shortcut trick itself. We will take another example. That is 12544, square root of this number. So unit digit 4. So answer unit digit number will be either 2 or 8. So I will return here number. Now 125 is lying in between two perfect square number. Which of that? 11 square and 12 square. In between that we are having 125. So whatever the earlier perfect square number value, that we have to take. So 11 I written here. Now 125 is near to 121. So top we have to select. So you can check 112 is the square root of 12544. We'll take another example. Square root of 17689. So we have taken the different numbers at the unit digit, and based on that we are finding out the answers. So 9, if it is there, so answer unit digit number will be either 3 or 7. So 3 or 7 I returned. Now we have to find out these three numbers. 176 is lying in between which perfect square? So 176 is lying between 13 square, that is 169, and 14 square, that is 196. So in between that the 176 number is lying. So earlier number we have to take. So 1 3 1 3 13 square, that we have taken earlier number. Now find out 176 is near to which perfect square number. So we can see here 169 and 176, they are near. 176 and 196, the difference is more. So 169 is near, which is a perfect square of 13. So top value we are getting, so we have to select this 133. That is the perfect square of a square root of 176 89. 176 89. Hope you like it. If you are getting this trick, no doubt you will get to solve this question by using this shortcut trick. So these are the homework question. Try to solve by using this trick. You'll get your answers, and whatever the answers you are getting, I request to put your answers on the comment box. Hope you like it. If you like our content, so these are the homework questions, you can solve it. If you like our content, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Follow us on YouTube, Telegram, Facebook or Instagram. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.